Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out one of the newest entries in Asus's legendary TUF Gaming lineup, the Asus TUF Gaming F16 FX607VB, powered by Intel's latest Core 5 15th Gen processor and the reliable RTX 3050 GPU. We'll break down its performance, design, display, battery life, and whether it's worth your money in 2025. So let's dive right in. The version I have here is in Mecha Grey, with an embossed TUF logo on the lid and subtle geometric accents around the chassis. Under the hood, this machine packs the new Intel Core 5 210H processor, a 12-core chip that clocks up to 4.8 GHz, paired with 16 GB DDR for RAM and a 512 GB NVMe Gen for SSD. This thing handles gaming, editing, and multitasking like a champ. For graphics, we've got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 for GB GDDR6, 65W. Now, it's not a powerhouse like the 4060 or 4070, but it's still perfectly capable for 1080p gaming on medium to high settings. Games like Apex Legends, Valorant, and GTA 5 run smoothly around 100+ FPS. For heavier titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield, you'll be around 50 to 60 FPS with optimized settings. Plus, thanks to the AI tensor cores on RTX, you can take advantage of DLSS and new AI tools for content creation and productivity. Asus includes a Microsoft Office Home 2024 and Microsoft 365 Basic. You're getting a 16-inch Full HD plus WUXGA display, 144 Hz refresh rate, and 300 nits of brightness. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you a little extra vertical screen space, great for gaming and productivity alike. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or cinematic story games, the visuals look sharp and smooth. The bezels are thin with a 90% screen-to-body ratio, which really enhances immersion. Connectivity. The TUF Gaming F16 features all of the critical I/O features you need to turn your setup into a true battle station. A dedicated LAN port keeps you connected in the heat of battle, and an HDMI 2.1 port allows you to drive a 4K 120Hz signal to an external monitor. A USB Type-C port includes DisplayPort 1.4 and support for 100W power delivery. A dual Type-A ports and an audio jack allow you to connect all of your peripherals for the ultimate gaming machine. Dedicated hotkeys for volume controls, microphone mute, and a shortcut to Armoury Crate keep critical controls within reach when in-game. A large touchpad allows for effortless scrolling, and the desktop-like keyboard features a 1.7mm key travel distance for comfortable typing and responsive controls when in-game. Powering it all is a 56Wh battery, and Asus claims up to several hours of mixed use. In my testing, expect around 4 to 5 hours of casual work or streaming, and of course, less while gaming. It also supports USB-C charging and fast charge 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes, which is great for on-the-go users. Cooling is handled by Asus's dual arc flow fans, each with 84 blades and 3 dedicated heat pipes. It's designed to reduce turbulence and boost airflow. In real-world gaming, the laptop stays relatively cool around 75 to 80 degrees Celsius on the CPU and under 70 degrees Celsius on the GPU, which is solid for this performance range. Audio-wise, the F16 comes with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio support. The speakers sound rich, and positional audio in games is surprisingly accurate. You also get two-way AI noise cancellation, perfect for calls or in-game comms. Ports are plentiful: USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and a combo audio jack. It's a solid mix for both gamers and creators. The TUF Gaming F16 comes with Armoury Crate support baked right in, including RGB lighting and fan controls at the touch of a button. You can even create custom scenario profiles, allowing the machine to intelligently switch between high-performance and high-efficiency modes as soon as it detects which programs are running. Network and communication: Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX, dual band, 2x2 plus Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card, * Bluetooth version may change with OS version different. So, who's this laptop for? The Asus TUF Gaming F16 FX607VB is a fantastic mid-range gaming laptop for students, gamers, and creators who want solid performance, reliable build quality, and modern features without breaking the bank. The Core 5 15th Gen and RTX 3050 combo might not be top tier, but it's efficient, cool, and capable of handling modern titles with ease. For around its expected price range, you're getting great 144Hz display, military-grade durability, strong thermals, AI-ready RTX GPU, and Asus's proven reliability. If you're looking for a tough, stylish, and future-ready gaming laptop, the TUF F16 definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist.